is Chelsea. Welcome to my seated class, okay? We're just going to start with a warm-up to begin with, and then we've got 3 different exercises in this chair and 4 different sessions of them, but I'll go through them as we go. But let's just start with a warm-up. So, remember, nice posture in the chair, and we're going to start with a march. Okay, get ready, and off we go. So I'm just going to lift your legs. Good. Then keep breathing. Just lift those legs up and down. Let's get nice and warm. Good. Okay, another couple of seconds on this one, then we're just going to tap the legs to the side. That's it, 5 more seconds. Ready, and tap to the side. That's it. Warm those legs up. Good. Stretch out. Tap them out. Keep breathing in and out. Get that oxygen in. Remember, take on plenty of liquid whenever you need to. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a bit more rest, please do so. Another 5 seconds this one. Then I want you just to stretch that leg. So you're going to have one knee bent, one leg, point those toes up, stretch that leg. So hold that. Good. And then bring that one in. Stretch that one. Good. This time we're using the same thing again, but I just want you to bring your toe down. Bring it up. Go down, bring it up. Good. That's it. Good. One more, and the other side. Up, down, good. Then we're going to go onto our arms, okay? One more of those. Good, okay, so sit up nice and straight. And what we want to do is just open and close. Palms together. Good. So, deep breaths in and out. Good. Remember, take time, warm that body up. It's only the warm up. And then this time, palms up. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it. Good. Well done. Keep going. And then we're going to go up and down. So you're going to go from the side of the chair, up, down, good. Keep that going. Good. And then we're going to waist twist after this one. So what I want you to do is you're going to twist around and touch outside of the chair. Good. That's it. Deep breaths. Warm this area up. Good. That's it. And then last one, I just want you to go down and back up, open, down and back up. Try and get everything working. Doesn't matter if we just go to here and back up. Good. And then just want you to work on your arms. Pull that down. Good. Hold that. And then we're going to go to the other side. Good. And we're going to relax. Okay. Ready. So, our first exercises, you've got 3 different exercises, okay? You've got different alternations for this, so you can either just step, the first one, or you can stand up or sit down. Completely up to you, but we're going to do a step. You want to make it harder, step up. If you do want to step up and sit back down, you can hold on to something, put yourself against the wall, hold that wall, step up and step down. Completely up to you, okay? We're just going to do a march to start with. So 30 seconds of the exercise, 10 seconds rest, 2 times, then we'll move on to the other one, okay? Get ready, and Ready? Off we go. Like I said, you can get your arms in as well, but we're going to do plenty of arms later, so it's up to you. Keep it going. Sit. Deep breaths in and out. Remember that posture. Focus on these legs. Get them up and down. As much as you can. Push, push, push. Good. Keep it going. We've got 10 seconds left. Good. Keep going, keep going. Nearly there. 5. And relax. Good. Next one is calf raises. So what you're going to do is lift up, squeeze, back down. Okay? First 30 seconds, do it 2 times. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squeeze, down. Squeeze, down. Good. Really feel those leg muscles working. Squeeze it. Breathe. Shoulders. Really make sure the base of your back is in that chair and everything's nice and strong. Nearly there. Keep going. Squeeze. You've got 10 seconds left. One more of these after that. Squeeze. Squeeze. 5 seconds. Keep it going and relax. Good. One more of those calf raises. Really squeeze on the way up, relax it down. Get yourself ready. 5 seconds. Off you go. Squeeze. Good. Down. Squeeze. Relax. Well done, everyone. Keep it going. Nearly there. Keep going. Focus, focus. Try and keep your stomach muscles and your core nice and strong. You've got 10 seconds left. Keep it going. Good. 5. And relax. Good. The next one, I want you to put your legs out a little further and see if you can hold on to the base of your chair and bring your leg a little bit higher this time. So knee lift. Okay? First 30 seconds. Get ready. Off you go. So bring it up. 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 Good. Remember, it doesn't matter how high you get it, as long as that knee's coming up, squeeze it. Remember, hold the base of your chest, you've got a nice strong upper body, nice position. Breathe in. Squeeze. Squeeze. You've got 10 seconds. Keep that going. 5 seconds left. Nearly there and relax. One more of those. Remember, just pushing the feet out a little bit more so you've got a bit more range. Okay? Ready? Off you go. Squeeze. Sit. Deep breaths in and out. Keep that going. Sit. Really squeeze that knee up. Good leg workout. Let's keep this going. Good. Knee there. Nearly there. Got 10 seconds left. Keep going. Push them out. Even if it hurts, just push it out. 5. And relax. Well done, everyone. Make sure you grab some water now. Grab a drink. Okay. So that's the first set of exercises done. So round 2 now. So you've got your arms. Okay. So if you've got dumbbells, great. Grab those. If you've got canopies, tins, anything like that, any weight, or you can do it just body weight, it's completely up to you. So the first one is nice simple bicep curls. Remember, straight back, push your back into the chair, feet nice and firm on the floor, elbows in, and bicep curls, okay? First 30 seconds, off we go. Nice and slowly, really control it. Deep breaths in and out. Keep your core nice and strong. Make sure the only thing on your body that's moving is your arms. Okay, they're going up and down. You're not swaying, you're not moving in that chair. Keep it nice and strong. Keep it going. Good, you're nearly there. Keep going. You've got 5 seconds. And relax. Good, you've got one more of those on the bicep curls. feet are firm on the floor. Got 10 seconds left. Good, nearly there. 5 seconds. Last push on this one. And relax. Good. This time you're going to do a hammer curl. So wear your hands like this. What are you doing? Turn it that way. Pretend you're holding a pint glass. Okay? So hammer curls. So same thing, just up and down. Okay? 30 seconds. Off we go. So down, up. So if you go to the side of your chair, come back up. That's a nice range of motion. Keep going. Keep breathing. Remember that core, nice and strong. Even though you're sitting down, you've got to make sure your core muscles are working. 10 seconds left on this one. Good. Hammer curl. 5. Good. Keep going. And relax. Good. One more of those. Okay. Get ready. Off you go. Down, up, squeeze, hammer curl. Remember, all that's moving is your arms. And you're breathing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Deep breaths, in and out. Keep that motion going. Nice and strong. Good. 10 seconds left. Remember, you can do all these exercises without weights. 5 seconds. Nearly there. And relax. Good. This time, I want you to take one weight and you can do tricep extension behind. Okay? So all the way to the top of your head, all the way back down. Ready? So 30 seconds. Off we go. Good. Remember that posture. Make sure you're sitting up in that chair, nice and strong. And down and up. Deep breaths in and out, keep breathing. I know it's hard to keep breathing, but you've got to get that oxygen in. It's the only fuel you have. Good, 10 seconds left. Good, keep going, keep going. 5. And relax, one more of those. And then you've done round 2. Okay, get ready. And 5 seconds. Off you go. Down, up. Nice and strong. Keep everything else nice and still. Just those arms going down and up. Down and up. Good. Keep it going. Nearly there. Well done, everyone. Keep it going. Got 10 seconds left of this one. Push it out as much as you can. Nearly there. 5. And relax. Well done. Grab a drink now. You've done round 2. Make sure you take on plenty of fluid. Take as much rest as you need. Good. Right, so you'll need dumbbells again for this next one. So you've got shoulder press. So again, dumbbells or like I am now, no weight, absolutely fine. Okay, does the same job. Okay, so 30 seconds, shoulder press. Make sure your back's nice and straight. Get ready. And 3, 2, 1, off you go. Up and down. Good, keep breathing. Nice strong core. Down to your ears, back up together. It's quite hard, you've got to make sure you keep it all together. Good. Well done, everyone. 10 seconds left. Good. 5 seconds. Nearly there. And relax. Good. One more of those shoulder presses. Remember, feet nice and firm on the floor. Keep that good position. 5 seconds, get ready. And go. Deep breaths in and out. Good. Well done, keep it going. All together. Well done. core. Push them out. Got 10 seconds left. Come on, last push. 5 seconds. And relax. Good, well done. Your next one then is a close grip. So you can use both dumbbells or just one. So I'm going to use just one. 2 hands holding it. All you do is push up, back down to your chest. Okay? First 30 seconds. Get ready. And off you go. Push up. Down to the chest. Nice and easy. Take your time. Good. Deep breaths. Good. Nearly there. Good. Nearly there. Keep going. Push out. You've got 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. And relax. Good. One more of those. Okay. You need to change. If you're holding it like that, you need to change the position. Up to you. Shouldn't make too much difference. Get ready. Off we go. Good. That's it. Squeeze them out. Feel those shoulders working. Push, push, push. Strong core. Keep it going. Good. Nearly there. You've got 10 seconds left. Push it out. 5 seconds. And relax. Well done. Your next one is chest press. Yeah. So, again, no dumbbells. Dumbbells, so I'll do no dumbbells this time. So all you're going to do is from here, press forward, hold it, press back, hold it, press forward. Okay? 30 seconds. Get ready. Off we go. So press, hold, keep it all together. Same speed. Nice strong core. Really stretch these muscles out. You can do this. Good. That's it. Keep going. Stretch, stretch. Got 10 seconds left. Come on, you can do this. 5 seconds. Good. Nearly there. And relax. One more of those, and then you're done with round 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Press, squeeze, press. Deep breaths, in and out, keep it going. Really feel those muscles working, tense everything as much as you can. Even though it's body weight, it still works. Good, 10 seconds left, come on, you can do this. Nearly there. Good, 5 seconds. Keep it going, and relax. Well done everyone, grab a drink. Make sure you take on plenty of fluid. Have a rest. Right, next one then. You can do this with dumbbells or without, but I'm going to do it without. This time, you're going to go, first one is going to be raise up and back. But I want you to keep your legs moving as you're going up and down. So whole body going, okay? So last round, first 30 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up and down. Good. Up and down. That's it. Good. Keep going. Well done, everyone. Squeeze out. Keep the core nice and strong. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Breathe. Good. That's it. Keep going. Nearly there. Deep breaths. 10 seconds left. Come on, let's do this. Good. 5 seconds. Come on, push it out, push it out. And relax. Good. One more of those. Come on, this is the last set. You can do this. Squeeze. 5 seconds. Get ready. Up and down. And let's go. Up. Get those legs moving. Squeeze and down. Good. Up and down. Keep that moving. Get your whole body moving. Nice straight arms, squeeze them up and down. down. Good. You've got 10 seconds left. Come on, last bit, this one. Good, nearly there. 5 seconds, nearly there. And relax, good. This time, same thing, but you're gonna go out and back, down. Keep your feet moving as well at the same time. First 30 seconds, off we go. So up, down, keep those legs moving. Bit of coordination, but you can do it. Keep it going, up and down. You squeeze when you're at the top and back down. Squeeze, back down. That's it, good, keep going. Deep breaths in and out. 10 seconds left, come on, last bit. Good. 5 seconds. Well done, nearly there, and relax. One more of those ones. Nearly there. 5 seconds, get ready, remember keep those legs moving. Off we go, up and down. Keep that coordination, concentrate. Keep that core nice and strong. Good, up and down. Squeeze all those muscles. Get it all working. Good, keep going. Well done, keep it pushing. Got 10 seconds left, come on, last 10 seconds of this one. Nearly there. 5 seconds. Good, and relax. Well done. Last exercise now. All you do is your arms are going to be out and you're just going to twist in your chair so you get your abs working a little bit now. 30 seconds of these, really strong. Get the feet base nice and strong on the floor. I won't make you do up, down legs, because it's a bit of coordination. First 30 seconds, get ready. Off we go. Twist. Nice and strong. Twist. Good, that's it. Well done. That's it. Keep twisting. Get those ab muscles working. Remember, if you can only go to there and to there, that's perfect. Okay, you've got 10 seconds left. Go as far as you can go. 5 seconds. And relax. Last one now, and then you're done. Okay, so remember, go as far as you can go. Get ready, off we go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Keep everything else. Try and keep everything else facing forward. Squeeze. Good. That's it. Keep it going. Nearly there. Deep breaths. 10 seconds left. Come on, last push. Nearly there. 5 seconds. And relax. Well done, everyone. Grab a drink, and then we'll do some stretches. Okay, ready? So your first one, all I want you to do is just try to hold. So you can hold it here, here. As long as you're not on your elbow, if you want a bit more of a stretch, put it in a little bit more. So just hold that. Deep breaths in and out, keep it going. Nice and relaxed now. And then at the side. Good, well done. And then one hand on top of the other, push in front of you, head down, stretch. Well done, hold that. And then when you above the head, stretch up. Good, hold that. Well done. And then I just want you to go down to your toes if you can. Hold that. Right there. Stretch. Good. And then come up. One leg. Stretch that leg up. Lean on that leg there or sit back in the chair, it's up to you. Make sure that leg's stretching, toes up to the ceiling, hold that. And then swap over, toes up to the ceiling. now, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.